Average true range, or ATR, is used to measure volatility. It does not show trend direction, and it does not tell traders whether price should move up or down. Its purpose is to show how much price is moving on average over a selected period. The indicator is based on true range. This looks at the current high and low, but it also considers gaps from the previous close. That makes average true range useful because it captures more than the size of a single candle. It measures the broader movement between sessions, including situations where price opens away from the previous close. On TradingView, the standard setting is commonly based on a 14-period length. A shorter length makes the indicator more responsive to recent volatility, but it can also make the reading more sensitive to short-term noise. A longer length smooths the reading and gives a broader view of market movement, but it may react more slowly when volatility changes. The reading itself is shown as a value, not as a directional signal. If average true range is rising, the market is moving more than it was before. If it is falling, price movement is becoming quieter. This can help traders understand whether the market is expanding, slowing down, or moving through a more compressed phase. A practical use for the ATR is risk management. Because it gives a view of typical price movement, traders often use it to judge whether a stop loss is too close, too wide, or more aligned with current market conditions. In a high volatility market, a very tight stop may be more likely to get triggered by normal price movement. In a low volatility market, the same distance may be more meaningful. Average true range can also help with breakout analysis. A breakout that happens while volatility is expanding may carry a different message from a breakout that happens while volatility remains flat. If price breaks a key level and average true range begins to rise, it can suggest that movement is increasing behind the move. If price breaks a level while average true range stays low, the breakout may need more confirmation. One of the main limitations is that the ATR does not separate bullish volatility from bearish volatility. A rising reading only shows that price is moving more. It does not say whether buyers or sellers are in control. It can also remain elevated after a sharp move or major news event, even after the most aggressive part of the move has already passed. In short, average true range is used to understand volatility, not direction. It can help with risk management, stop placement, and judging whether market movement is expanding or contracting. Used with trend direction, support and resistance, or broader price structure, it can add useful context without being treated as a standalone trading signal.